y'all, I'm back with another unboxing. For my birthday, it's Virgo season, and I got me some Louboutins. So this year I wanted to get a different type of Louboutin. It's like an iridescent color for my birthday. It is Virgo season, and all my Louboutins I get in a size 37.5, and I'm normally a size 7 or like a 7.5, so these really fit true to size. These are my favorite style red bottoms because these are the Irizas. So with Iriza, let me get that out the way. With Irizas, I find that they fit my feet better because I have really wide feet. So with the sole case, they're very narrow in the toe box, and these kind of have an opening so your foot can breathe. Ooh, what is this on my dust bag? But it comes with a dust bag, of course. Let's check these out. These are definitely screaming birthday girl. Yes. Okay, so I hope you guys can see, but they're like an iridescent rose color. Of course, the bottoms are red. Yeah, and these are a size 37 and that's 37.5, so a 7.5. And this is why I like the Iriza. I like this opening here because my feet are so wide. It doesn't like I don't feel like I'm smushing my foot into the shoe, if that makes sense. So this style is called, this is the Iriza 100 patent. Is this psychic lining wood rose. So that's the color. The color is the wood rose, I guess. Is this a scratch? Oh no, there's a small scratch on these, but they're really small. So I'm gonna try these on for you guys. I do have many pairs of Irizas because, like I said, these are my favorite type of shoe to wear with wide feet. And these I could wear at max, maybe at max 4 hours. They are not super comfortable, but they're not super uncomfortable. They're bearable. So, and if you watch my other unboxing that I did upload, my Tom Fords came, and I ordered some Tom Fords for my birthday as well, and I only had one shoe in the box, so I'm actually very happy that I had 2 of these. Okay, I'm gonna try these on for you guys just so you guys can see how they look on my feet. So hello. Oh, it's a real Virgo birthday. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my unboxing for my birthday shoes. Tell me what you think about these red bottoms. These were I don't see the price. Oh, the price was $775, so they're under $1,000. And let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Let me know what's your favorite style of red bottoms. Currently, like I said, mine is the Iriza. That's the only one I ever get because I feel like they're so super comfortable. Better than the sole case. One time I tried on sole case, I couldn't even get up, okay? They so hurt my damn feet. So just let me know what you guys think in the description box below. Do you have wide feet like me? Do you have narrow feet? What's your favorite designer shoe for wide feet for women of color? Or if you're not a woman of color, you just have wide feet like me, just let me know and I'll check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.